So my idea is to just build this all out of galvanized roofing material, and obviously these will be my walls. So these will be, I believe these are 22 inches, maybe 24, but so that's how tall my raised garden bed will be. And normally the way you'd see a lot of people doing this is they would create a frame with wood and then use the metal to hold the material in as sidewalls. Alright, so I'm just taping them. That way, there's actually two roofing panels right here. That way they don't move and mess up my pole alignment. Alright, so I've drilled my holes. I'll flip this whole thing over so I can see where they are. And I'll put the metal flashing just underneath it, and where the holes are, I will re-go through. So that way, when I flip it back right side over, the side facing out, the holes will now be on this, and I'll be able to start threading them in. Alright, so this is the finished raised garden bed. That's all metal. In total, I used 72 bolts, 72 nuts. I bought a 6-foot piece of threaded rod, and then I bought the correct nuts to match that. So I used 4 nuts for doing the center bracing. That way this doesn't bow out later on. And then I bought 4-inch by 4-inch metal galvanized flashing. So that's what makes up the corners. I think on the next one, I will probably end up getting washers to go on the inside, just to make it a little bit more rigid and a wider surface when I bolt them together and tighten them. But overall, I'm really happy with this. And the reason I did this in metal only is right now, wood prices are ridiculous. I believe one 2x4 by 8 feet is $850 right now. So it would have been extremely expensive to build them out of wood. So the next thing I need to do is take this down to where they're gonna go in the garden. But first I actually have to remove the plants and some of the pots that are there. So in the next video, that's what I'll be working on. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.